Welcome back! Get ready for 32 emoji puzzles that will test your brain. Can you solve them all? Let's go! Let's start with an easy one. Look closely at these emojis. The answer is sunglasses. They help protect our eyes from the bright sun. Ready for a tricky one? Look at these emojis. Awesome, it's happiness. A happy heart brings a big smile. What amazing word do they make together? Can you guess it? Fantastic! Knowledge helps us learn new things every day. Get ready for a magical puzzle. Look carefully. Wonderful! Freedom means being free to live, learn, and explore. Ready for a quick eye test? Find all 4 differences before time runs out. Well done! If you found all 4, you have amazing observation skills. What word do they make together? Can you guess it before the timer ends? Sweet! It's an ice pop, a chilly treat that's perfect on a hot day. What mysterious word do they make together? Brilliant! It's a vampire, a legendary creature famous for its sharp fangs. Can you guess this yummy drink? Yummy! It's bubble tea, a fun drink with chewy tapioca pearls. Here's a delicious challenge. What's the hidden word? Awesome! It's an ice cream truck. Who wouldn't love hearing its fun music? Can you find the object that appears twice? Look carefully. You only have a few seconds. Time's up. The matching object is the bunny. Did you find it? Here's a bright emoji puzzle. Can you guess this tall building? Excellent! It's a lighthouse. It helps guide ships safely at sea. Can you crack this one? What's the word? Fantastic! It's fruit punch, a colorful drink made with different fruits. Think fast! Can you guess this popular beach ride? Great job! It's a banana boat. Who's ready to ride? What word do these 2 emojis make? Excellent! It's a seashell, a beautiful treasure found on the beach. Can you find the hidden word? Look carefully. You have 5 seconds. Go! Fantastic! It's a water park, a place full of slides, splashes, and fun. Quick challenge! 1 letter is in a different place. Can you spot the change before time runs out? Time's up! The letter Y moved to a different position. Did you spot it? Here's a tricky one. What word do these emojis make? Fantastic! The correct answer is sunbathing. Here's a refreshing one. What word do these emojis make? Awesome! The correct answer is strawberry lemonade. Look at these 2 emojis. What word do they make? Great job! You guessed heat wave. emojis. One word. Can you figure it out? Awesome! The correct answer is swimsuit. Can you combine these two emojis into one word? Fantastic! The correct answer is palm tree. Quick challenge! Count all the coffee cups before the timer runs out. How many can you find? Great counting. The correct answer is 20. Look carefully. What word do these pictures make? Great job! It's a piggy bank. Time to start saving. Here's a peaceful night challenge. Guess the word. Excellent. The correct answer is moonlight. Here's a handy puzzle. Can you guess the word? Awesome! You guessed hand gloves. Here's a tasty one. Can you guess the word? Fantastic! The correct answer is cotton candy. Remember where every emoji is. Your 10 seconds start now. Where's the blue heart? Choose a number. Let's reveal the answer. Number 3 was the blue heart. Did you remember it? Something cool is hiding here. Guess the word. Fantastic. The correct answer is DJ Booth. Look at these two emojis. What word do they make? Fantastic. The correct answer is clothes hanger. Can you guess this popular sport? Excellent! The correct answer is skateboarding. Turn up the music. What word do these pictures make? Fantastic! It's a disco ball. It lights up the dance floor with sparkling reflections. This is the ultimate final puzzle. Can you guess this mysterious place from outer space? Amazing! It's Alien Planet, a mysterious world far beyond Earth where aliens might live. Did you solve all the emoji puzzles? Tell us how many you got right and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. See you next time.